Hey guys, I'm Conrail here. Whoop, sun's bad. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix a battery and some of the wires. Today we'll be working on my John Deere B. Let's get to it.
What if they had a place beyond their imaginations? But for a crew to get there, all they'd have to do is believe. Come, journey to his world, where his dreams become real. Join Dexter, better known on his railroad as Frisco, and his crew, and they will take you to a place where anything is possible. Welcome to the world of Frisco.
Hey guys, it's Conrail here. Today we're going to be working on my 1951 John Deere B. It's having some battery issues. It was raining earlier, so we got the cans on the stacks, but yeah, let's dive right into it. Let's get to work. Okay, so the first way you can tell you have battery issues naturally, my kill switch, it's not cranking over, or it would just be cranking super slow. It's usually how you can tell you have a
It's probably fine. Nope.
Or a battery that is shot. So on my John Deere here, oh look, here's the Shopcat pig. Hey pig. We just dive.
That's got to be changed immediately.
We got the previous part off. This is what we're working with right here. So how you would take this wire right here off is you would undo these screws. I'm not going to do it right here because I've already done it over there. And hopefully you can do a little magic here and edit it in. But we just undo this screw. Boop, boop, boop. Undo this bolt. Oh, I need to loosen it. Give it a little twist. Pops right off. This, same thing, just undo these, take the screw out, put this in, boom. So I already did a little run into the hardware stores and picked myself up a new power heat or something like that, and a new bigger battery to get some more crankage. So I'm gonna get this in there and we'll see what we can do. Oh, come on, you. Hopefully he edits all this out. Okay, now you can pick back up. Get out of here. Oh, it appears I broke the battery. I'm leaking battery acid all over the place. Well, that's okay. It'll buff, hopefully. Probably not. I'm just going to leave that there. Oh no. It's too big. Shit. Crap. Hey there, buds and budettes. We gotta go to Advance to pick up a new battery. I'm just gonna run to town real quick because my battery was too big. Yes, so just gonna head to Advance real quick and pick up another battery. Hopefully they'll just give us one. because I am out of money. Yee! Okay, about 378 batteries later, I got one in here. So now I'm going to show you how to put the piece on here. Hopefully you can see it. It's not too blurry. Sorry for the poor camera quality there, bud. I got a cheap little phone and not a big, expensive, fancy one. Whoa. Here's this not opening. Let me grab my trusty vice grip, which is over here. And not in my compartment, where I thought it was. Okay there, bud. Let's just get this. Whoop. Whoop. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these two screws and just loosen them up. Oh, knocked over my phone a little bit, so that way then this can move. Then I'm going to take my wires. It'll stay in focus. Never mind. My buddy can edit this out. He can edit this out. Okay. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take the wire. Just going to persuasion here. We're going to clamp down. Rotate it. Take my trusty vice grip and tighten it there, bud. That should be tight enough for now there, bud. Now remember, kids, make sure your negative is your positive, and your positive is, I'm going to do that. You can edit this all out, right? Hopefully it's bloopers. Okay. Attempt number 2. Okay, kids, now just remember, after you got this done, make sure your negative is your positive, and your positive wire is your ground. So now we're just going to take this, persuasion it. I'll be dipped. Okay. Now remember, you just take these bolts. Oh, looks like I got lightage. Apparently I left the lights on. That's a good sign, right? So now, like I said, I'm going to tighten these bolts down and get back to you. Okay, as you can see, I got my terminals hooked up. We're just gonna pop the seat right there. I don't know if I told you, but on my tractor, battery's underneath my seat. Hopefully I did. Long day, fellers. So, kill switch on. Boom. And remember, kids, check your lightning whirler under here. Make sure you got lightning going to the sparkulators. There you go. Stop in next time. Hopefully my parts will come in for that. So, have a nice day, fellers. See you next time.
Yeah, fellers, a guy would like to thank his buddy the right way and say, well, special thanks to Connor for teaching us how to fix a battery on a tractor like his. And if you want more like this, stick around. There's plenty coming to you. So, we do watch a ton of Vice Grip Garage down here and stuff like that, too. So, Like I said, stick around. There's plenty more coming to you.